First trading day of the new year 2026. Let's go. What's going on, everyone? Jeremy Ritz here. Courage pays better than fear trading. Back with another episode of Driven. It is the new year. It is January 2nd, 2026. Looking forward to spending 365 with y'all. Yins. It's my Pittsburghese in the new year. Can't wait for that. And today, first day of trading. I hope you guys crushed it, followed your plan, got off to a good start. And right now, just checked in. It's about 3:03, and the SPX is up about 13 points. It was down for most of the day. It was red. It opened with a ripper, was up over 40 points, got knocked back down, but it is now slowly climbing. Let's see what it wants to do here in this final hour here today. I did see some call activity on the SPY for 2027 of March for like 850, 860 strike price. So you do have some long-term bulls out there, and that doesn't seem out of the question with how hard things have ran. But again, I'm still sticking to my thesis that we are going to get a bit of a sustained pullback at some point this year, but I think we've got to rock it one more time off of earnings, and then we'll get some weakness to come into play. So we still have some time before that, but we are seeing some nice movement today. And one stock I got to give a shout out to that just continues to rip, and that is MU, up over $28. What a banger out there from MU. Congrats to any MU bulls out there, but wow. And what's crazy is that thing was beat up for quite some times after ripping whenever the first movement higher with the whole AI push happened, and it looked like it was kind of dead in the water, but wow, it has come back with a vengeance and is trading around $312, $313, which is pretty spectacular. And we also saw today Bitcoin starting to get a push right now as I'm recording this, up about 1,000 points. It was up significantly more, gave some of that back, but that's been the story with Bitcoin there toward the end of 25, really from October into the end of 25, that it would push up hard, but it couldn't sustain, it couldn't hold. So let's see how that finishes out. But you are seeing crypto-related stocks get a little bit of a push. Included in that are Coinbase, Marathon Digital Holdings, MARA, and MSTR. So Strategy, Michael Saylor's Bitcoin holding company. So we are seeing a little bit of movement there. And then some downside pressure. Take a look at Amazon. It opened with a ripper up to 235, but then they got two downgrades, smash, dropped down to 225, so it gave up 10 bucks pretty quickly. And then Netflix saw it take out its December 23rd lows and continue to trickle lower. I do like Netflix a lot. I picked up just a couple of shares there on the move lower. Again, long term, Netflix is a profitable company, great company. Say what you will about, the content. I know that there's criticism of it. I'm just looking at sheer business fundamentals here and growth and opportunity, and there's quite a bit on that company, and I feel like it's relatively valued well where it currently is. So grab a couple shares. But outside of that, this is the first day. I had a nice little day of trading here today. And then the goal here is just to stack the wins. Be patient, not be in a rush. We have 252 trading days ahead of us to make money, to stack wood, to build profits. Don't try to do it all in one day. That is a recipe for disaster. I don't want that for you guys. I want you to be conservative, protective, smart, not gamblers, not cavalier out there just saying, oh yeah, let's do this, follow your plan. And that's what's going to lead you to success in this new year. So that's what I want for all of you guys out there. And hopefully you had a good day today with your trading. I had a nice little winner on APLD, and then a quick hitter on CRCL. Nice little scalp, and a scalp Tesla there at the end of the day. So January 2nd, nice day for me. I hope this is a nice little outlook for what's ahead the rest of the year. And if not, that's fine too. But I am grateful and appreciative for what has happened here today. But anyway, that's what I got for you guys here. Don't forget to check out the Sunday setup. We are back full content schedule next week. The New Year Wealth Accelerator kicks off on Monday. So if you want to learn how to invest, how to swing trade, sign up. The link is in the registration, and get an opportunity to win $1,000 on the final night of the event. Again, that's January 5th. And in the meantime, in between time, make it a great day. Honor the moment. And as always, be grateful. Take care, everyone.